Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 pipe crimping tool. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is KM300. Specifications: brand name, April. Usage, commercial manufacture. Model number, KM300, KM300C. Type, hydraulic crimping tools. Is _ customized, yes. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is KM1632 inline electric power pipe crimping tool. Specifications: brand name, April. Usage, commercial manufacture. Model number, KM1632. Is _ customized, yes. Type, hydraulic crimping tools. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Cordless Mini Press Tool Combo Kit. Specifications: brand name, Glam. Motor type, brushless. Usage, commercial manufacture. Crimping range, 1.2 inch-1. Voltage, 220 volts. Origin, mainland China. Model number, HHYD1532. Output, 1.9 T. Stoke, 30 mm. Crimping range, 15 to 25 mm. Item number 2 is ES300-400. Specifications: model number, cordless hydraulic clamp. Drive mode, hydraulic. Type, universal vise. Origin, mainland China. Product, cordless hydraulic clamp. Stroke, 17 mm, 42 mm. Battery, 18V, 4.0 Ah. Output, 50 knots, 120 knots. On the top of our list at number 1 we have CH1332. Specifications: brand name, April. Usage, commercial manufacture. Model number, CH1332. Is _ customized, yes. Type, hydraulic crimping tools. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.